So here's a program that is asking us to create a little app that is checking to see whether you are able to vote in an election. So in order to vote, you have to be 18 years of age or older and a citizen of the country. So we need to ask for the user's age and ask if they are a citizen. So the age is an integer. So to convert the input to an int, your age, okay, and citizen, just a regular print statement, a regular input statement. See if a citizen. Okay, and we'll say if age is bigger than or equal to 18 and citizen is yes. And if that is the case, then you can vote. Otherwise, you are not allowed to vote. Okay. So if I enter my age, if I am 42 and I am a citizen, I am allowed to vote. Change up my input here to make it look a bit nicer. So if I enter my age as 42, but I'm not a citizen, really if I enter anything other than yes in lowercase, it's going to consider it a no. So it doesn't have to be no, but I'm not allowed to vote. What else? So I could check whether I am 12, but I am a citizen, so I'm still not allowed to vote. Okay, so it is going through the different possibilities correctly.